Coughing all night? This stops it faster than medicine. Doctors say a simple home. Remedy honey water can calm a cough better than many over-the-counter syrups. Honey coats your throat, reduces irritation, and suppresses the cough reflex. A Penn State study found honey works better than dextromethorphan, a common cough suppressant. Oxford researchers also reported that patients who took honey had fewer and milder coughs and even recovered 1-2 days faster. Raw or Manuka honey offers antimicrobial benefits, boosting immunity during cold season. Just 1 teaspoon a day mixed in warm water. Try it tonight. Your cough might finally stop. Your like and subscribe make my day.